pessoal, eu me chamo Ítalo Ramon, sou faixa preta de Jiu-Jitsu, aluno do professor Tarcísio Jardim. Vou apresentar para vocês a Checkmate Kids.
Ready to lead, took away my hunger but didn't give me greed. Made me successful when I just wanted to be heard. Give me the light, cause all I need is the word. Give me your life that I'm responsible for. I give them a right, cause I'm responsible for them. Into the night, I'm gonna be there with them. Into the fight, I'll be right there with them. Ready for heaven, cause I done been through the hell. And since I was 7, I've had a story to tell. See, God is great, and that's why I'm still living. He gave to me, so I'ma keep on giving. The bravery of a man's mind to slavery is making me the man I was made to be. I hate to see when cats know but don't spit it. Right is wrong, when it's on you gon' get it. Whatever which way they go, whatever which way they go, whatever which way they go, whatever which way they go. I wake up frustrated, dog, I'm hurting inside. Thinking about the brothers that put in work and then died. For certain I tried, for certain I cried. When it didn't go right, you hit me like. You see, things ain't always what they seem to be. And the reason I dream of thee is he's with me. And the reason I get through things so easily is by the grace of God. Cause he sees the need to guide me, walk right beside me, because he knows what's going on inside me. He tried me, knew where my heart was at, knew what I was thinking, knew when I was down and out, left and stinking, knew when to pick me up cause it got too hard, knew when I was gonna scream out, please God. And you already knew that you would be there for me. That's why I bring them together to give you the glory. Whatever which way they go, whatever which way they go, whatever which way they go, whatever which way they go. Every day of life is a new chapter, and it's already been foretold, so it's up to the soul to capture the essence of it all. The meek shall inherit the earth, destined to rise with a call from birth. The true worth of a man is not measured by what he does for himself, but what he does for someone else. And if you help another without concern for all reward or gold, what you give you shall receive tenfold. And I put that on my soul and put that on my life, and everything I own and everything I know and everything I show is what I was meant to do. And everything I told you is what I've been through. And everywhere I've been I was for a reason. Walked through the desert, ended up freezing. Start there, end up where, and now they know. Whatever which way they go, 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 whatever which way they go. They know they gonna owe. They sold to the road they choose. It don't matter if you win or lose, you still gotta pay them dues. You still gotta pay them dues. You still gotta pay them dues.
A fireball, yeah, man. Ain't no Tisha over the baritone. Michelle over Oscar, Pat over the Uzi and Glock. Life over that. You know what's that turbulence the future never solo. Hey, let me tell you this again. I could have been one of the most notorious. I got saved by the King, and His grace is so glorious. I could have been one of the most devastating. I got saved by the King, and His love is everlasting. Whoa, burn away the wicked lifestyle, and the wicked image, and the wicked man and profile. I'm so happy to be Rastafari style, and may overcome the wicked with just a smile. Then me start to live my life and do things worthwhile in a love and harmony. I try not to be vile. Now both the world Selassie will provide. Hey, my conscience is clear. Me not nothing to hide, Rastafari. Could have been one of the most notorious. I got saved by the King, and His grace is so glorious. I could have been one of the most devastating. I got saved by the King, and His love is everlasting. No, easy to squeeze length in the forehead, but we know the solution is not bloodshed. Positive actions and affirmation. We'll get this tool, let us curse you. I pledge to be a part of the strong side, the right side, but to be the wrong side. I'm like tell you say, from you can avoid, slip with the King, then you know you shall slide. I could have been one of the most notorious. I got saved by the King, and His works is so glorious. I could have been one of the most devastating. I got saved. I love is everlasting, boy. Oh, yeah, cut out all corruption. Positive movement. Hey, by the strength of Jah, I live longer. By the length of my life, I get stronger. There's a grievous bird, stir up anger, but I am bigger than that, never go under. I could have been one of the most notorious. I got saved by the King, and His love is so glorious. I could have been one of the most devastating. I got saved. Could have been one of the most notorious. I got saved by the King, and His grace is so glorious. I could have been one of the most devastating. Burn away the wicked profile and the wicked image and the wicked man them lifestyle. Earlier ready to be Rastafari style. Me go overcome the wicked with just a smile. Then me start to live my life and do things worthwhile in a love and harmony. Try not to be vile. Hey, now about to wait, Jah will provide. Now my conscience is clear. Me not look nah. Would have been one of the glorious. I got saved by the King, and His love is so glorious. I could have been one of the most devastating.
There once was a day when I was so downhearted. I was so deep down, I started to hit the floor. And on that day, I just couldn't get started. So the doctor said I shouldn't do that no more. When all I wanted to be was in danger, and all I needed to feel was a little bit more. Yeah, baby, what do I need? A beautiful woman. Yeah, the feet on the wise and remind me the life is so fair. Life is so fair. Yeah, yeah.
Life ain't, it ain't so fair. 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 Life ain't, it ain't so fair.
Life is so fair.